Hello, mathematicians. So I have this frame for us today. Can you show me on your fingers how many dots of any color are on this frame? That's right, there are 10. Now, if I cut this in half, how many dots will I have on each half? So we had 10. Can you take away half? How many is that? Very good. If you take away one of your hands, that would be half. So if I cut this in half, I will have how many? Show me on your fingers. Great, I would have 5. So now I'm going to cut this in half with Mr. Chompers here. Ready, Mr. Chompers? Great job, Mr. Chompers, only ever cutting paper. So now I have 5 in this hand and 5 in this hand. Today we're going to find a new way to put these together. So I had them like this, I cut them apart, and now we're going to put them together like this. Now I've put together our 10 frame in a different way on the board. Now, I cut it apart and put it back together. How many dots are there now? Yes, there are 10 dots in all. Still, even though I moved them from on top of each other to beside each other. So this makes me think a lot of something that we made a few weeks ago called the number rack. Now, my number rack looks like this. Your number rack at home looks a little different. You have the white and red beads and white and red beads, but yours has a black background and mine is made of metal. So I would like you to go ahead and find your number rack, and you can pause the video until you're ready. Do, 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 do. Go find your number rack. All right, do you have it? Here we go. So we are going to practice using the number rack today to show different numbers. So the beads slide across. So if we have them all on the side that's blank over here, that means that we are in the starting position. We're ready to go. Can you slide yours so you are in the starting position? That means all of your beads are on the side that doesn't say anything. You have a little smiley face on yours. I have a triangle on mine. So all the way away from the smiley face. So now, the way we're going to show a number on our number rack is not by counting 1, 2, sliding one at a time. We're going to find the number and slide it over. So our first example is the number 3. Can you slide over 3 beads with me? Here we go. So now the beads in play are 3 because they're over here on the side with my triangle, your smiley face. All right, now can you show me 4 on your number rack? Great. So some of you might have gone 1, 2, 3, 4 and then moved them all. Some of you may have instead said, I have 3 beads here, and I know 4 is 1 more than 3. 3, 4. All right. Now, can you show me 5 in play on your number rack? Great. 5 is 1 more than 4. I notice that all the beads I have now are red. 5. Now, can you show me 6? Yes, 6 is 1 more than 5. So I'm going to slide 1 more bead over. What do you notice about 6? How is it different? Yes, now we're using the red beads and the white beads to show 6. Very good. Now I'm going to show you a number on our 10 frames, and I want you to put the number on your number rack. We'll do the first one together. here's my first one. Can you make it on your number rack? All right, let's see. I'm going to put mine up here. And we'll take down our rack that Mr. Chompers helped us make. Okay, so how many do we have here? We have 3. So I'm going to slide over 3 beads. And now it matches. Can you try the next one on your own? Remember, clear your board. My next one is here. Can you make it on your number rack? Great. Did you notice that the whole top part is filled? Can you show me on your fingers how many that is? Yeah, it's 5 because our 10 frame is 2 5-frames put together. So I'm going to choose 5 on the bottom here. And just like in my picture, I'm going to slide over all the red ones. Is that what yours looks like? Nice work. All right, clear your board. Here's the next one. I'm going to bring it close to you so you can see well. Can you make this on your number rack? All right, let's see. So we have the whole top row filled. How many is that? Can you show me on your fingers? Yeah, it's 5. But then we have one more and it's white. So I'm going to match this here and do one more is 6. Great. All right, clear your board. Can you make this one on your number rack? All right, let's try it together. I have my whole top row filled. I know that means I need to slide over all the red beads. That's 5. And now I have 3 on the bottom row. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 5 red and 3 white. 5 red, 3 white. That's 8. All right, let's try one more. Clear the board. Can you make this on your board? All right, let's try it together. My top row is all filled, so I know that means I need to slide over 5 red beads. Oh, look, my bottom row is all filled too. I'm going to slide over 5 white beads. My whole top row is 10, just like my 10 frame. Now you're going to get a chance to build some numbers and put the pictures on Seesaw. I can't wait to see all of your numbers on your number rack. Have fun playing with the beads and trying it out. You can even make a few extra numbers and test the grown-up at your house, or they can quiz you. Have so much fun with sliding the beads and making numbers. Thanks, mathematicians. Bye-bye.